So I'm coming at you today to do a review on this Freetress Bohemian braid crochet hair. So I've had this in for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna show you what it's looking like, 2 weeks in. So this is the front, and this is the back. So that's what I'm looking like 2 weeks in. So excuse me if I'm looking down because I have some notes to kind of keep me on track. So if I'm looking down, looking at my notes. So we're going to start, well, first off, let me tell you. So 2 weeks ago, I did as you can see, half up, half down crochet install. I'll leave that link below to that video if you guys need to reference that video. And I have kind of been trying to maintain the hair or whatever, and keep the style fresh. So my pros on the hair is that it's a beautiful curl pattern. Now in my installation video, I talked about how I didn't like the curl pattern, but as it got older, it started like really mimicking natural hair. And then I kind of like fell in love with it. So at the beginning, I didn't like it. And I know a lot of people probably gonna be like, well, you said you didn't like it. I know I said that. But as it got older and started fluffing up and things, to me, it's like, I was like, oh, I cannot wait for my hair to look like this. Like, it gives me the real natural hair vibe, if you get what I'm saying. Another pro is that it can last for weeks with proper maintenance. Now, I did do a video on how I maintain this hair and, what I do to go to sleep at night. And I'll post that in the description box below. Also, just in case you need to reference that video. But if you maintain this hair, it will last for weeks. And when I say maintain, like things of this sort, I would just cut off. Now, mind you, I hadn't really maintained it since I did that maintenance video, but that's neither here nor there. But, like cutting things of this sort off, and then, detangling it, cutting off the matted parts, and just tying it up at night, it will last for weeks. Like I said, I've gotten 2 weeks out of this, and honestly, the only reason why I may not keep it in longer is because my birthday is coming up and I want something different. But if it wasn't for that, I would continuously like maintain this hair and do what I do in my maintenance video, and then just wear it for probably another 2 weeks, because it's not, it's not hard to maintain. And then at the same time, it's really not bad enough for me to just take the hair out. But because I want something new, I will probably take it out anyway. Another pro is it's cheap and it's affordable. $5.99 a pack. I use 4.5 packs of hair. So that beats doing what I normally do, because normally I run to my virgin hair, my wigs, and my weave and all of that. And that costs a lot of money. So this is a cheap protective style that I can leave up. Like I said, if I maintain it properly, or, if I wasn't trying to change my hair for my birthday, I could honestly leave this up for a month. So what's that? Probably about $35, and you have a style for the whole month. That's winning, because we all trying to save our coins, you know what I'm saying? Because coins are important, you know what I'm saying? So, you want to save your coins, but you want to be cute at the same time. You want to be cute on the budget. Crochet is where it's at. Another pro is that it's easy to install. You can do whatever braiding pattern you want. You can do straight back braids. You can do straight back plus wide braids. You can do beehive. Whatever floats your boat. You can braid it however you want. All you do is slide the latch hook under the braid or through the braid. Attach the crochet hair to the latch hook. Close it. Pull it through. Tie a knot. You good to go. That's all you do during the whole install. And like I said, I will post my install video below in the description box, just in case you need to reference that. Now let's get to the cons of the hair. It tangles bad. And I mean bad. But that also goes back to me saying you have to properly maintain the hair. I mean, this is what I deal with. See? But, and that's also because I really haven't maintained this hair since I did the maintenance video. But you see, this is what it does. So, that's, I mean, it's synthetic hair. It's going to tangle. I get that. But that's why I say you have to properly maintain the hair. Now, in the beginning, I was doing it and, you know, trying to keep it up. But now I've gotten to the point where I just don't care. And it's really because I'm about to take it out. If it wasn't for that, I would maintain it better. But since I'm about to take it out, I'm just really not caring or whatever. But it does tangle bad. And another con is that it can be itchy. And it does snag on everything. I mean, everything. It snags on my coat, my shirt. It got cold here recently, like real cold. Like 30-something degrees. You know, that's cold for the South. We don't do cold weather. So I had my hat on with my scarf. And my hair got caught and snagged on everything that I came in contact with. But I think it's because it's long. Because I used this hair some years ago and I wore it short. And it didn't snag on it. You know, it didn't really get caught on anything. But I'm really thinking it's just because it's long. So in the end, would I purchase again or would I recommend it? Yes and yes. And I say that because, like I said earlier, it's affordable. It's if you want a quick style, you want something that you know, something cheap for a quick protective style, then this is some good hair. But if you want something that's low maintenance, then I suggest that you don't get this hair because you're going to have to maintain it. It's not like a daily get up and go type thing. You're going to have to, like these, like I showed you earlier, these are things you're going to have to cut stuff like that out because it only just builds up over time. So if you don't mind the maintenance, I recommend this all day long. But if you do mind the maintenance, then it won't be for you. I recommend you find something else that's low maintenance. I hope this video was helpful. If there's anything that I missed, please feel free to contact me in the comment box below. And I will answer your questions and get back with you on anything that you need to know that I failed to mention in this video. I hope this helps you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't know when that'll be, but I'll see you later. Bye.